Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can change the image sharpness for your presentations on Canva. So let us get started. So what you want to do is navigate to your presentation on Canva, select the given page that features an image. What you want to do after that is click into edit here at the top and choose either page or image. If the given page features an image, you can select this option here. Next, what you want to do, guys, is either select the click tool or a brush, depending on which area of the image you would like to make sharper. So let us go with the water here, right? So make it a little bit sharper, change the sharpness. So you can either select the click tool and click into the given object, or use the brush here, select auto detect, adjust the brush size, and then let me just highlight the area. So in this case I would roughly at least highlight the area that displays the water here, like this. Then wait for the selection, and then you may go with the tools here, adjust, and here look for the sharpness. You will find it usually at the bottom here under texture. So you may increase the sharpness by moving that slider to the right. Let us go with 100%. And there you go. As you can see, the water looks like this now. So you can also leave it like that or click into reset adjustments. And as you can see, that's the difference, right? So again, move that slider here, and you may highlight the area afterwards, or click into that area here, and then the entire area that has been marked or highlighted is going to be edited by Canva. That's how it works. Let me just remove that effect, and you can also click into deselect to deselect the brush. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.